Alright, you guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the headlight assembly on a 2004 Tahoe. First off, what you want to do is come to here, see these little tabs, you want to pull them out, pull this one out as well, and then you just pull this, see, you just pull it up, pull this one up, and then you pull the light out. Alright. This is the most simplest, headlight, in case you want to swap bulbs. Okay? Everything is right there and accessibly. I mean, everything is available right there. So even your grandma can change these out. Alright. That is everything. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to take the headlight assembly out, and that's pretty much it for this video. Alrighty, thank you.